Introducing Modutek's semi-automated wet bench systems, offering a compact, cost-effective solution that combines advanced automation with manual control for semiconductor wet processing. Our innovative systems are designed to meet the needs of semiconductor professionals, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Engineered for precision and efficiency, our semi-automated systems feature an HFBOE bath equipped with filtration, robotic agitation, and sub-ambient temperature control to maintain critical parameters. The SC1 quartz bath, sulfuric peroxide bath with peroxide auto-spiking, and dump rinser provide exceptional versatility for a wide variety of applications. Additionally, every chemical bath is designed with a bulk autofill feature, and each tank offers multiple programmable recipe options, enhancing the flexibility of your process workflows. Modutek's semi-automated wet processing systems are the perfect balance between manual flexibility and automated precision, specifically designed for semiconductor manufacturing. Whether for research and development or full-scale production, these systems deliver the control necessary for process uniformity, ensuring that every operation is consistent, reliable, and cost-effective, often at a fraction of the expense of fully automated solutions. The modular design of our wet bench system supports a wide range of customization options, from chemical delivery modules to process tank configurations, so that you can tailor the system to your specific needs. Whether you're experimenting with new materials, optimizing existing processes, or meeting stringent safety standards, Modutek systems evolve with your requirements, providing unparalleled flexibility for a variety of setups. Safety and compliance are paramount in semiconductor manufacturing environments, and Modutek systems integrate stringent safety measures, including chemical containment features and emergency shutoff protocols. Built to meet industry safety and environmental compliance standards, our systems minimize risk and ensure safe operation at all times. To enhance operator control, Modutek's semi-automated systems feature a user-friendly touchscreen interface. This intuitive GUI allows for easy programming and adjustment of multiple recipes, providing precise control over critical process parameters such as chemical concentrations, timing, and temperature. By enabling operators to make real-time adjustments, our systems help maintain accuracy and efficiency even when dealing with complex and sensitive processes. Modutek's semi-automated wet processing systems offer precision, flexibility, and reliability, making them the perfect choice for semiconductor fabrication and development environments. Discover how Modutek can enhance your manufacturing processes. Contact us today to learn more about our tailored solutions.